Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo. If you find updates, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.